You've got what it takes to start your own woodworking business. Yes, you do already have enough knowledge and skill. The reality is, you wouldn't have the desire if you didn't have the capability. Chances are there is something, or many things, you envision creating out of wood. Things you know you can build, and likely do a better job than others, better than what's out there in the marketplace right now. Obviously, the more you've worked with wood, and the more commercial shop experience you have, the better. But that doesn't mean you have to wait 25 years before venturing out on your own. Hell no. That's one way of ensuring you never start your own shop. If you like building things out of wood, and you understand the various processes, then crafting nice pieces of furniture or crafts is well within the realm of possibility. If you've worked in any shop before and you understand how they operate, then there's no reason why you couldn't do it yourself and be your own boss. The biggest thing that holds woodworkers back from living the dream is fear of failure. It's a real fear that stems from a feeling of uncertainty about how much they now know. Truth be told, learning is a lifelong activity. If you wait until you know all there is to know about starting and managing your own profitable wood shop, you might never get started. It's not about deluding yourself. It's about accepting where you are, and realizing you've got enough smarts and common sense to make a go of it. There are lots of talented woodworkers out there, and you could always hire them to take care of any jobs you land yourself. The choice is yours. What's stopping you? The best way to kickstart your business is to listen to others who have been in your shoes. I know you can do it, because I did it. If you want to have your own woodworking business, this inside knowledge can help you get there the right way. That's why I recommend clicking the link in the description below.